Imagine walking up to a pristine 1928 Cadillac parked on a quiet Chicago street. To anyone walking by, it looks like a standard luxury vehicle, the kind driven by a successful politician. Tapping the glass wouldn't produce a hollow ring, but a heavy thud. Windows were an inch thick, with doors packed with steel plating. These defenses were matched by hidden systems dropping slick oil and roofing nails to ensure pursuing police lost control. This 3,000-pound rolling fortress was the prototype for Al Capone, marking the start of a massive technological shift in the underworld. While the public views a getaway car as simply a fast machine off a showroom floor, criminal syndicates have spent a century transforming ordinary cars inside hidden garages and chop shops. Law enforcement isn't just fighting street thugs with guns, they are facing master engineers with unlimited budgets locked in a perpetual arms race. In the 1930s, police forces relied on heavy, underpowered four-cylinder vehicles. This lack of mobility made raw velocity and structural agility the underworld's primary defense. John Dillinger pioneered this strategy by gutting the newly released Ford V8. His crew reinforced the floorboards with quarter-inch steel to support the weight of multiple armed men and thousands of rounds of ammunition without sacrificing speed. Appalachian moonshiners evolved this concept into the sleeper car. They used cars that looked completely ordinary to hide the immense weight of hundreds of gallons of illegal alcohol. A car riding low in the back was a dead giveaway to revenue agents. To hide the payload, mechanics swapped out factory suspension for heavy-duty truck springs, keeping the rear bumper level even when the trunk was full. They also installed hidden toggle switches under the dashboard. When being chased on winding mountain roads at night, the driver could instantly kill all the lights and vanish into the total darkness. Early evasion engineering focused on brute forcing physics, maximizing horsepower and payload to simply outpace the law on the open road. By the 1960s, high-speed urban chases had become too risky, shifting the focus from outrunning the police to hiding in plain sight. The ultimate weapon for this new environment was the 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado, a heavy luxury coupe with a specific engineering anomaly. Unlike most cars, the Toronado featured front-wheel drive. This eliminated the bulky center drive shaft, creating a completely flat interior floor. This allowed assassins to lay totally flat in the back, hidden from view as the car rolled past a target. Criminals began turning a vehicle's factory layout into a tactical advantage, executing quiet urban hits before the police even realized a crime had occurred. In the 1970s, international smuggling required a higher level of deception. Customs agents had learned to search for obvious hidden compartments and hollowed-out tires. During the French Connection heroin operation, smugglers responded by taking brand-new luxury cars and literally cutting them in half. Mechanics slid custom steel canisters directly into the structural rocker panels before welding the skeleton back together. Once repainted and dirtied, an agent tapping the frame would find nothing. The contraband became part of the car's bones. In the modern day, mechanical tricks are easily defeated by X-ray machines, density scanners, and trained canine units. This prompted the development of the trap car, a vehicle featuring lead-lined compartments integrated directly into the factory computer system by electrical engineers. To unlock these traps, a driver performs a precise sequence, turning the ignition, rolling a specific window down halfway, and swiping a magnet over the dash. When closed simultaneously, hidden hydraulic pistons slide the entire factory stereo forward, revealing a deep cavity. Modern criminal engineers also defeat airborne surveillance by using aerospace thermal cloaking materials to insulate engine bays, hiding the vehicle's heat signature from the thermal imaging cameras used by police helicopters. Simple physical hiding has been replaced by encrypted digital locks and military-grade insulation that leaves federal agents searching for ghosts. Look at this photo of an officer dismantling an interior. Federal agents will sit in a seized car for months, certain it contains millions in contraband, but remain completely locked out by the specific software sequence of a shadow engineer. Modern getaway engineering prioritizes total detection avoidance over the high-speed chases of the past. Every new detection technology developed by the government simply becomes the benchmark for the next generation of underworld modifications. If you want to see how these hidden mechanical worlds operate, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Every week, I'm breaking down the engineering secrets the authorities are still trying to solve. I'll see you in the next one.